live. If they don't adapt to changes, they won't be able to live or they don't able to survive. Please, will you stop your microphone, please? Whose voice is coming?
Zohair mic is on.
Off your microphone. Okay. Okay. So now we will talk about the lions and deer. Okay, first lion. Lions live in forest or grassland. It is strong animal that can hunt an animal kills like deer. Okay, so the light brown color. Look at the picture of lion and deer. How the eyes placed in faces of these animals. Are they in front of side or the face? Okay. Now we have to talk about the lion and deer. Okay, so they both are having light brown color. So it merged with the dry grass. Okay, so it is very hard to get the presence, to know the presence that and these lions and deer are present. Okay, so our lions have now what feature lions having? Okay, lions have long claws in the front of legs that can be withdrawn inside the toes. The shape of the claws, okay, the claws are big, so it can easily hold and cut the deer or any prey. Okay, so this type of legs are having. They help this. They help the lion to survive. Okay, and the light brown color, as I told you, as first only that I told you, the light brown colors help it to hide in dry grassland. Okay, so the color of dry grass and the color of lion and are a bit same. Okay, so so they can hide and they can hunt for the prey. And the eyes also, the position of the eyes is in front, so they can easily see the correct position of the prey, correct location of its prey. So now we will learn about the deer. Yes. Now
Yes,
Fazil, किसने read किया था? जोहर ने read किया था, right? Now Fazil will read.
yes, yes. A deer is another animal that live in forest and grasslands. It has strong teeth,
Step.
strong,
See.
strong teeth, and chewing
No, it's
hard.
for
Yes, man. No chewing.
yes, a strong teeth chewing.
Strong teeth for chewing hard plants. Stem of stems of that stem of the forest. A deer need to know about the presence of
Presence of predators.
presence of opident
Presence of
of
sorry,
animal
presence of predators.
presence of predators
Predators.
predators animal like lion that make its prey in
Prey. Prey.
orders to yes ma'am,
It's not pre, it's prey. Okay. Prey. Prey.
prey in order
To
to
run
run
away
away from them
and not become.
to anyone's mic is unmuted
Please, mute your mic. Yes.
of predators that I not to side of its head allow it to look in all direction of dangers. The speed
For
in
danger.
of danger, the
For
speed
danger.
of danger,
For
the speed of the deer help them to run away from the
predators.
predator.
Okay. There are Okay. There are many other features of the lion and deers and other animals and
The
plants that
trunks
help
of
them to
a
survive
lion
in
and a deer or another animal and plants that help them to survive in their habitat.
Okay, now we had finished about lion. Okay, so now we will talk about the deer. Deer is the another animal that lives in forest and grassland. It has strong teeth for chewing the hard plants. Okay, and also they a deer needs to know about the presence of predator. So predator means shikar. Okay, shikari. The animals who hunt. Okay, it's called predators. Okay, so now deer wants to know about the presence of predators. For these, when the deer knows that the predators are present, they run away. Within a second, they run away from the that place. Okay, and not become their prey. For knowing the presence of predators, they are also having big ears. Okay, so they having very long ears to hear the movement of predators. The eyes also are in a in the what do you say, the eyes on the side of its head allows them to look in all directions. The location of the eyes, sorry, the position of the eyes is also in such a way that deer can see in all direction. Okay, so and when they feel the danger, the speed also help them to run away from the predators. So these there are many other features. Maybe there are maybe another features, but we have learned few features about the deers and other animals and plants that lives in grasslands. Okay, so now we will learn about the habitats of some aquatic. Okay, who will read?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
मैं मोहम्मद जकी वकील.
Muhammad Zakir.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Some aquatic habitats. Ocean. We already discussed how fish are adapted to live in the sea. Many other sea animals have streamlined bodies to help them move easily in water. There are some sea animals like squids and octopus which do not have this streamlined shape. They stay deeper in the ocean
Streamline shape.
near streamlined shape. They stay deeper in the ocean near the seabed and catch any prey that moves toward them. However, when they move in water, they make their body shapes streamlined. These animals have gills to help them use oxygen dissolved in water. There are some sea animals
Okay.
like dolphins
Now,
and whales.
now we okay. Read it.
There are some,
Read it.
there are some sea animals like dolphin and whales that do not have gills. They breathe in
Read.
air through nostrils or blowholes that are located on the upper parts of their
Head.
located on the upper parts of their heads. This allows them to breathe in air when they swim near the surface of water. They can stay inside the water for a long time without breathing. They come out to the air to the surface from time to time to breathe in air. Did you ever see the interesting activity of dolphins in television programs or film on ocean life?
Hello.
Now we will talk about the how does the animals in water survive. Okay, mute your microphone now. Okay, already discussed how fish adapted adapted to live in the sea. Okay, the body shape is streamline. Streamline means the narrow from the mouth, middle, bigger, wider from the middle, and again narrow from the tail. Okay, this shape पहले छोटा होता है फिर बड़ा होता है फिर छोटा होता है. This shape is called
Sorry,
streamline shape. Okay,
ma'am, your
so
screen is black.
this streamline shape, because of this streamline shape, it helps they can swim easily. But some animals like squids and octopus, yes. Now you can see.
No, ma'am.
Now can you see? Yes.
No. Black, black
Can
only.
you see now?
Dark
Okay.
state was there.
No, ma'am. Black,
Now
black.
okay. What is happening? Let me just
Ma'am, restart
stop
the.
sharing. Okay.
Be present. Now
Can you
also.
see now?
Now come now.
Now come. Now.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, as we discussed, as the fish, the shape of the fish, as I told you, that streamlined body, it helps them to move easily in water. But some animals like squids and octopus, they don't have the streamlined shape. Okay, so what will they adapt? They adapted that they will stay near the seabed, okay, and catch the any prey that comes near to them, okay. And these animals have gills. These animals, as you know that we breathe with the lungs. You know that human beings breathe with lungs, but the animals who lives in water, they breathe with help of gills. Okay, they will take oxygen from the water, dissolved in water. But the gills will help these things, okay, to breathe and to take the oxygen. There are some animals, sea animals like dolphins and whales, they don't have gills, okay. Except whales and dolphins, they don't have gills. The rest of the other animals will have gills, okay. So what will they have adapted that they will come on the surface of the water and take breath from the air, so take oxygen from the air and then again goes downwards, okay. For this, the breath in air through nostrils or blowholes that are located on the upper part of the head, okay. So these nostrils and blowholes are located where it is located in the upper part of the head. This allows them to breathe in air when they come to the surface of water. Then they again go inside and in the water and for a long time without breathing. They can stay without breathing for a long time, and again when the oxygen will finish from the body, they will come on the surface of the earth and then they again breathe and then they again go inside. Okay, have you seen these activities of whales and dolphins in TV or YouTube? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what will you do? You will do today, you will watch this activity in YouTube. Okay, just write how do whales
Ma'am.
and dolphins. Okay, ऐसे लिखना है how do any whales and dolphin breathe. Okay, so you will see videos
Ma'am,
regarding to it. Okay,
ma'am, I had seen in
now
YouTube.
we have finished about oceans. Now we will learn about the ponds and lakes. Okay, the plants and the animals living in ponds and lakes. Okay, who will read? New words, please.
Can I say Ahmad Fazil?
फजील आपने तो रीड किया ना बेटा.
लिखा थी ना कभी.
Okay. I want new voice, please. Who will read? Yes, Rajani Aliasgar. Aliasgar, open your microphone. Rajani Aliasgar, open your microphone. Burani Mahdi Hassan, please open your microphone.
Always I think
Yes, ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Yes,
Mahdi
ma'am.
Hassan, start
always I
reading.
think Akvi.
Yes, Mahdi Hassan, start reading, beta.
Ponds and lakes. Have you seen?
एक मिनट एक मिनट स्टार्ट रीडिंग बेटा हैव यू सीन yes my dear son please start reading
Have you seen plants growing in ponds, lake, and river, and every some
even some
drains,
drains
even some drains, go on a five trips to a
field trip
near pond,
field trip beta please listen to me field trip
field trips. It's possible and try to draw the
draw
plants that
kinds of plants
kinds of plants that are seen there. How are the leaves, stems, and roots of these plants placed? Some
some
of
of
these
these
plants have their roots fixed in the soils below the water. Figure 9.9 in terrestrial
okay
plants.
now
Roots.
okay hold on beta hold on okay now this is the figure okay of aquatic plants okay some are bigger okay some are having roots in soil and stems in surface of the water some are totally submerged here second one is totally submerged in plant third plant is floating plant okay they don't have fixed root okay in soil they are having floating roots okay so these all are different type of plants which is living in the ponds and ocean ponds and lake okay so some plants as you can see here okay in this figure okay start reading again beta continue in terrestrial plant yes Mahdi Hassan Mahdi Hassan can you hear me
Yes, sir.
okay start reading
In terrestrial plants, roots normally play a very important role in the
absorption of
absorption of nutrients and water for the soil
from the soil
from the soil.
however
However, in aquatic plants, roots are most reduced in size, and their main function is to hold the plants in place.
hmm.
Thus, the stem of these plants are long, olive, and light.
Hollow, hollow and light.
The stem grow up to the surface of the water, while the leaves and flower float on the surface of the water. Some
Okay,
aquatic
okay. Now, wait a minute, beta. Okay. Now, interstitial plant means the normal plant living in a land, okay? what the roots are bigger, and the main role of these roots is to absorb the nutrition from the water and the soil. Okay, but in aquatic plant the roots are reduced. Okay, the size of the roots are reduced. Their main function is to hold the plant only. They don't need to do absorption, just they have to hold the plant in place. Okay, the some of the plants, the stems of these plants are long, hollow, and light. The stems grow at the surface of the earth, while the leaves and flowers float in the surface of earth. As you can see in figure first plant, we are talking about the first plant. Okay, the soil, the root is just to hold the place. Okay, they don't have bigger roots, and they grow in the surface of the plant, and the flowers, leaves, they all just what do you say? They will uh, the leaves and the flowers and float in the surface of the water. Okay. Some aquatic plants. Who will read? New voice, please. Very good. Okay, start reading, beta. Who will read? Ghazi Abbas Bojani, Galbe Sadiq. Yes, who? Yes. Yes. Hello.
Sir, Zohar Abbas.
Yes, no, Zoher. Your turn is finished. Okay. So total gaming, no man. Yes, no man. No man. Open your microphone. Total gaming. Open your microphone. Can you hear me? Okay. Yes. No man. Please don't waste time. Okay. Leave him. Rajani Aftab or Raza Abbas Keshwani. Rajani Aftab. Can you hear me? Can you open your microphone? Raza Abbas Keshwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start reading, beta. Okay. Read. Okay, fast. Please don't waste time. We are having just 15 minutes. Okay, start reading. Some aquatic plants. Yes, Razabas, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I read?
Who?
Nakweli Ghazi.
Yes, Gazi. Okay. Start reading, beta. Gazi, Nakvi, read.
Um, some aquatic plants are totally submerged in water. All parts of such plant grow underwater. Some of these plants have narrow and thin ribbon-like leaves.
Ribbon. Ribbon.
Ribbon. This can bend in the flowing water. In some submerged plant leaves are often highly
Open,
divided
highly. Hmm.
through thought which the water can easily
It
flow with
flow
damaging them damaging them. Frogs
without
usually
damaging them.
have
Okay,
bones
yes, let me just finish
as
this
their
paragraph. Wait a minute. Ali Gazi, wait a minute. I'll explain this paragraph and then second paragraph. Okay. Okay.
okay.
You can see. second picture, this picture, second plant is totally submerged, means totally under है पानी के. Okay, their leaves are okay. So this type of plant, what will happen to this type? This plant will grow under the water. Okay, some of these plants they have narrow and thin ribbon leaves. Okay, the type of ribbon, the leaves is like ribbon. Okay, thin, पतली, एकदम पतली और एकदम silky, so they can easily bend in water. And some of the this type of plants, some of them has having leaves which is highly divided. Okay, so the water can easily pass through the through the leaves, and they want the force of the water will not damage the plant. Okay, so the early guys start reading frog.
Frogs usually have ponds as their habitat. Frogs can be stay both inside the pond water as well as move on land. They have strong back legs that help them in lapping and catching their prey. They have webbed feet which help them swim in water.
Okay, we have discussed.
We have discussed only a few common animals and plants compared to the wide variety that live in the different habitats. You have also noticed very wide, variety plants around you when you prepared a her- herbarium
Herbarium.
herbarium as part of the suggest activities in chapter 7. Im- Imagine the kind of variety that you could see in herbarium of leaves of plant from all regions of the earth.
Okay. Now, okay. Now we will talk about the frog. How frogs survive in ponds. Okay. Frogs normally have they can live both inside the water and outside the water also. Okay. So this is the mostly main pond plus point for them. Okay. Frog can stay both inside pond as well as on the move on land. They have strong back legs. Their back legs are very strong, which help them to leaping and catching. Leaping means jumping. Okay, jumping from one place to another. Okay, leaping and catching their prey. Okay, and the feet is webbed. Webbed feet means their feet are joined. The toes of the feet are joined. Okay, with the layer of skin. Okay, so this will help to swim in water. As now we have discussed only few common animals and plants. So we have wide varieties of these types of animals and plants with the different habitats. But we have only taken one or two examples from all of them. And okay, you can herbarium means in lesson number 7 you have done an activity of in lesson number 7 to plant an herbarium. Herbarium means herb plants like mint, corianders, okay, or other herbs. Okay, like thyme, rosemary, this type of plants is called. So you have maybe in chapter number 7 there was a activity to make an herbarium. Okay. So we have seen lots of varieties of animals and plants living around us. Okay. Now 9.4 living thing around us. Who will read?
Takweli Gazi.
No, I want new voice, beta. Who will read? Zamin Sayyad, Raza Bash Keshwani. Open your microphone, Raza Aftab. Kulsum Chokia, Kanis Panjwani. Kulsum Chokia, open your microphone, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
start reading. First Kulsum Chokia and then other, okay? Yes, start reading, beta. 9.4.
Love.
Yes, start reading, beta. Chokia. Sokia Kulsum. Okay. Kanis Panjani, can you open your microphone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading beta. 9.4.
Living things around us. We went on a journey through different habits and dis-
Habitat. Habitat.
habitats and dis- discussed
Discussed. Discussed.
discussed many plants and animals in activity. 1. We listed object, plants, and animals found in different surroundings. So,
Suppose.
suppose we stop a while and think which example in our list are living. Let us think of examples from a forest. Trees, creepers, small and big animal, birds, snakes, insects, rocks, soil, water, air, dry leaves, dead animals, mushrooms, and
Insects.
moss may be only some of the objects that are present in the
Some.
forest. Yes, forest
Which
which
which of these are?
which of these are living think in of object that that you can see around you at this moment and group them as living and non-living. In some cases it is easy for us to know, for example objects like chair or a table in our homes. We know that they are alive, poorly.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now, things, living things around us. This is 9.4 new topic. Okay. So we can see as we are living here in Earth, we can see many types of things around us. Many animals, many living things, many non-living things. Okay. As you know that living things means they can easily able to move, eat, and take breath is called living things, and non-living things like chairs and tables which does not move or which does not breathe is called non-living things. Okay, we can see many things are in forest like trees, creepers, small and big animals, birds, snakes, insects, rocks, soil, water, air, dry leaves and dead animals, mushroom and mosses. Okay, we can see lots of things in nearby the forest. Okay, these all are, maybe from these, they, some of them are living things and some of them are non-living things. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do today activity. Okay, you have to make a table. Okay, you have to divide a page into two part. Okay, first part is living thing and second part is नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड, इन लेफ्ट साइड आपको क्या रहेगा, लिविंग थिंग का पार्ट रहेगा, और राइट साइड आपको क्या रहेगा, नॉन लिविंग थिंग का पार्ट रहेगा. ओके, सो इन दिस एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू राइट 25 लिविंग थिंग्स एंड 20 नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. समझ आई बात को कैसे बनाना है? यस बॉयज, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सबको सबको बोल रही हूँ. ओके, सब आई वांट एक्टिविटी. ओके, वरना घर पर फोन आएगा. ओके, that you have to make an activity. In left side, you have to write 25 living things. Okay. In right side, you have to write 20 non-living things which you can see in surroundings. Okay. आपको अपने आजू बाजू देखना है और लिविंग थिंग्स लिखनी है और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स लिखनी है सिर्फ. इट इज वेरी इजी.
सेंड करना है.
और आपको लिख के रखना है. अभी मैं आपको बोलूंगी कब करना है. ठीक है. किसको
यस मैं.
करना है और कैसे करना है. You have to make it and you will. I'll see. I'll give the number and what you have to do. Instructions. Okay. Now, Paheli was reading a rhyme completely nonsense written by Edward Lyne. Okay. Something is happening. Okay. Maybe our time is also finished, beta. It's only 2 minutes. Okay. So we are completing here. Okay. And we will meet you in our next session. Maybe on Monday, inshallah. Okay.